Hey, my friend Daniel here. Welcome to the channel. You're checking out this video to learn more about myEcon, and I'm going to give you proof and documentation. As a matter of fact, 253 reasons why you should watch this video all the way till the end. And if you're looking to join myEcon, you only want to do it on this team and nowhere else. Let's dive in. So the first thing I want to do here is I want to show you that at the time of this recording, it is August 12th, okay? And it is a Monday morning. I'm working here from home like I always do. But what I'm going to do is today's date and time. I just want to type this in here so you can see it. It is currently Monday, August 12th at 10:34 a.m. at the time I record this video. Now what I want to do is I want to head on over to our team's Facebook group. Okay. And if you look on the top left, you can see that we have 5,000 people here in our Facebook group. And this was a post that was literally just shared. You could see right here the dates, the ending payroll date or the ending commission dates, which ended last Friday. So in myEcon, the sales weeks go from the way you earn commissions, the sales weeks go from Saturday to Friday. So we literally just ended the sales week here with 253 sales in a week. Okay, 253 sales in a week. Let me just share some other things that are going on inside of our Facebook group. We literally have people ranking up every single day. Kirsty just hit EVP Infinity inside of our group. Rashila just ranked up to gold. Again, this was just over the weekend. We also had one of our members driving some cold traffic. They got some paid ads. They were using some solo ads. They were driving some traffic to one of our funnels. They got 2 sales. And that was only with 250 clicks. So think about that for just some data for you. That's 1 sale for every 125 clicks that you get. And if you know anything about paid advertising, that is really, really good results right there. Scott here, he also just ranked up to gold again over the weekend. And then Catherine also just ranked up to platinum over the weekend. So guys, our team is growing incredibly, incredibly fast with the system and the funnels and everything that we are using. If you want more information on that, link in the description down below. You can go check out my total overview and tutorial on myEcon, the system that we use, how you can get your hands on it. Or you could just go to the link in the description down below if you're ready to get started. But plain and simple, we are pumping in hundreds of team members every single week. Now, I want to save the best for last here. So I want you to understand how the myEcon compensation plan works. And I have full tutorials and overviews on the myEcon compensation plan. Again, those links are in the description down below if you just need more information. But I just want to talk about some basic math here for a second. So you can see here in 1 week, we did over 250 sales. Okay. So now let's just go use some very, very basic math. So what I want to point out here, and this is right out of the myEcon compensation plan PDF that's right on their website. So what I want to do is I want to point out the very last 2 columns, specifically when you have that many people on your team. Obviously, you're an infinity or a CEO infinity, and you can literally earn down to infinity. So hypothetically, like, let's just look at some numbers here. Okay. So let's say that you're making, you're a CEO infinity and you're getting paid down to infinity and you're pumping in 200 plus sales per week. Let's just use some really, really basic math. Okay. I'm going to pull out my calculator so you can understand the importance of team growth and the myEcon compensation plan. Okay. So let's say you're doing 200, we'll go conservative, we can even say we can go more conservative. And let's just say you're going to do 150 team members a week. Okay. Even though we did 250, I'm being conservative here. Let's say it's a slow week. We're going to average that out over a year, over 52 weeks. Okay. So you got 150 right here. I know it's a little tough to see, but you got 150. And I'm going to do that times, okay, 52 weeks, okay? That's 7,800 people. Now, 7,800 people, and now let's go here to, I'm going to grab my little drawing tool for you here for a second, so just give me a second. So I want to highlight here because this is what you're going to be earning money on. So depending on what membership level the person comes in at, you're earning between $6 or $8.40 on that membership. Now, let's just take an average of that and let's just say $7. Okay. So you got 7,800 people on your team. All right. At the end of a year. Okay. And again, that's being conservative at 150 people a week, right? Let's just look at the potential of what myEcon could be paying you, what it's paying us. And I'm just going to give you the example of what it could be paying you if you get on and started with our team and myEcon and you're using a proven and documented system. So 7,800 people on your team times, we're going to go at a conservative $7 per person, right? Because that's what you'd be making. Okay. Now, obviously, it could be a little higher. You could be getting 1330 depending on if they're in your first through fifth generation. But again, I'm going as conservative here as possible. So 7,800 people on your team, right? Times $7 each person. Okay. You can see it right there. It's a little tough to see. Okay. But you can do the math yourself. That's over $54,000 per month. That's the power of the myEcon compensation plan. And those are the numbers that our team is literally producing right now. So why would you want to join any other team when we have proven and documented success? And I'm not saying this to brag or to boast, and it's not bragging if you can back it up. So we can back it up. So if you're looking to get started with myEcon, I really wouldn't look any further. Link in the description down below if you want to get started. But plain and simple, we have the growth, we have the system, we have the high converting funnels, we have the training, we have literally everything you need if you're looking to get started with myEcon. So link in the description down below. I also left my phone number right here on this video. I'm a real person, my friend. You can reach out, text me, and literally ask me anything. What we do works, and it works extremely well. Thank you for watching, my friend. I appreciate you, and I hope to see you on the inside in just a few minutes, because I can promise you it is much, much better to be on the inside instead of standing there scrolling, being on the outside looking in. So get yourself on the inside, and I can't wait to work with you, and I'll hopefully see you in our members area in just a few minutes.